Hi guys, in this session I would like to take you about checkbook configuration. The topic name is about checkbook configuration. Why we required checkbook configuration in Tally application? What is the use of checkbook configuration means? If you are not configuring checkbooks in your Tally application, Tally will accept even a repeated check number also, but any check number cannot be repeat more than once. So the first reason to maintain checkbook configuration in Tally is to stop duplicate check issues, and again to maintain the business transaction in the right manner. Will maintain checkbook configuration. Let us take an example. Now there is a company name called RR Soft Solutions. Now in the system, checkbook is not configured. So now I'm trying to pass a payments through my bank for salaries. Just assuming that you are making the payment of salaries for 15,000. Now it is asking you check. Now it is asking you the instrument number, means check number. Here I entered 100101. Just get accepted, and again SBI, and again salaries, and again 15,000. And here again I try to enter the same number 100 100. Again the State Bank of India, the salaries, again sum of amount, and again the repeat the check number 100 100. Actually a single check number cannot be repeat more than once. Now Tally is not stopping this repeating of check numbers. Tally is not tracking the check range of you issued. So this is the problem you are facing whenever you are doing reconciliation. Whenever you are doing your reconciliation, and that will visible look like this: 100101, 100110, 100 So the reconciliation will not be fulfilled. So here why you are making the transactions, in that case only Tally should track that is issued or not issued. If that is already issued, Tally should stop automatically. Now it is not stopping because of the reason the checkbook is not configured for State Bank of India. You have to configure the check range of SBI in your Tally application, then only Tally will stop repeating of check range. And to configure checkbooks in Tally application, just go to account books, from Tally main page, accounts info, ledgers. The bank ledger is already created, so I'll go to alter. But if you want to create a new bank ledger, go to create. Now I'll do in alter. The bank of SBI is already created, so I'll go to alter and open your bank ledger. Look here, as down to that you can access here. You can mention the check number, you can mention the bank account number and the bank IF. Now it is giving a chance to select the bank name from the list of banks. Select your bank. This is all Indian online banks, and here you can find that set checkbooks. You have to enable this feature to set your checkbook range. Enter. Just assuming that I have the check range from 200201 to 200225. So totally I have the number of checks is 25 numbers. The checkbook name, multi-purpose checkbook. just get accept. And now you just configure a check range in Tally application for State Bank of India. Now I just save. And now after configuring the check range in Tally, I try to pass the voucher by going accounting vouchers, bank and salaries. You paid 14,000, just assuming that the 14,700 is the salary payment. Now you can observe here the check range is already selected and the check number also already selected. So just go to accept and again mention salaries, sum of amount. Now taking your second check number automatically 2000202. 2000201 is already issued. Next number it's about 2000202. Just get accept. And again the third payment you're making, again salaries. And now if you try to change the number 2000201, see the check number of 2000201 is already issued, but if you try to issue the same number, Tally will give an error message like this: the same instrument number cannot be used more than once. So the number is already issued, and again you cannot issue 2000202 also, even that also already issued. And again now you can issue 2000202. So because 2000203 can be issued, even the 2000204 also issued, even 2000205 also issued. Only the 2002001 is cannot be issued. And again 2000202 also cannot be issued because of the checks were already issued. So likely Tally will stop duplicate of check numbers, duplication of repeat errors. Look now, and again not this is only the helpful. Again Tally will remind you if your checkbook is going to adjust. Now Tally will remind you for the last 5 checks. Now in the check range total you have 2002012 225, right? So when you are trying to issue the number 200 and 224, Tally will give an message to you: yes, check leaves in the check range is getting adjust. Means you are reminding to apply for new checkbook to the banker. Tally will remind you for the last 5 checks. And again if you try to mention the check number 20020 and this is the last check leaf in the check range, it's not the error message here. This is not the error, this is just only the warning. This is the last check leaf of this range. Now this is the last check. Even after issuing the last check also, you can use unutilized check numbers. Yes, I issued 2000225, but I didn't issue 2000224, so can be used now also. Even 2000203 also can be issued. 2000204 also can be. These are all blank checks, can be issued, but again you cannot issue 2000225 because of that is already issued. 2000225 that cannot be repeated. But if you try to issue 2000226 and you have the check range between 201 to 225, now I am trying to issue 2000226, and again also now see the message here: the check number you entered is not in the selected check range, that is this is out of check range. So likely you can stop duplication of checkbooks. See, when you are doing your banking in reconciliation, easily you can catch here there is no repeated checks. Look, 2000201, 2 and 25, and any of the check number cannot be repeated, won't be repeated. But here when before checkbook configuration, the number already repeated, but there is no chance to repeat the checks after once configuration. And one more thing, and now you configured one checkbook details in the company in the system, and again you upload for new checkbook, you got a new check range, you have some different numbers. Again in that cases, again go to accounts info, ledgers, alter, open your same bank ledger, and go to again set checkbooks, set alter checkbooks. Yes, but make sure when you are trying to add the second check range, you do not disturb the first range. Just come down now and again mention 500 525 to 500 550. So again here I have totally 500 549. Now here I have totally 25 check range. For example, it's about corporate checkbook. Now I just added, now here in the system I just entered my 2 check ranges, control plus a save, control plus a save. After that again go to accounting vouchers, again the payment to salaries towards something. Look here, now it is selected the check range of number 2, but if you want to issue any check from your first range, you have to press here backspace, and again Tally will display the 2 check ranges. Now you can issue from even 2 down to not 1 also. Now you can issue from even 525 also, that's your choice. So wherever you as per your requirement. And this is about checkbook configuration. In my next video I'll try to cover this transaction type about check payment, DD payment, ATM card payment, ATM deposits, and card payments. In that cases, how to do how to add transaction type, I'll show you in my next video. Thank you.